Welcome to the lab, everybody. I wanted to show you my latest little 3D printed gadget, solving problems as they come up on my bike. What we have here is a headlight for a bike. And I'm gonna need this because in the double anvil that I'm gonna be competing in next week, I'm gonna be cycling in the dark. So it's required to have a headlight. Unfortunately, on my bike, there's no really good handlebars to clamp it onto. This is made for clamping onto a handlebar. You wrap this around, there we go. You wrap this around, soft and squishy, so it clamps on real tight, and then you just aim it however you want. Unfortunately, on my triathlon bike, the handlebars are in this weird aerodynamic shape, and they're flat and they're pretty wide, so there's no place to clamp this. Solution: I want to try and put it on my helmet somehow. So what I did is I designed this little guy. It's going to sit right here on the top of my helmet. And it's going to be held on with some of these little zip ties because I don't want to drill holes and put fasteners into my helmet. But this is going to go to the top of it, and then I will be able to, it mimics the shape of a handlebar, so I'll be able to just do this right here as I would for a regular handlebar and clamp it to the helmet. It clamps on there pretty tight. So this isn't a finished product because I want to do something here and here, maybe with some soft rubber tubing to keep my helmet from scratching. But you can see it's working how I wanted it to. And I don't have it clamped down there tight, but it's already held on there pretty good, and it won't take much more tightening to make it permanent. But problem solved. Yeah.